Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I will show you how we can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture, which for me will be the home screen that is already open and visible on my screen. Now make sure that whatever you want to capture is visible right now on your screen, and once it is, we're gonna just press our power button and the volume down at the same time. You get this flash along with a share, edit pop-up right here and the thumbnail of your screenshot that you've captured. In a moment this will disappear, and when it does, you can find your screenshot by going into your Photos application, Collections, scrolling down, and you will find Screenshots album. In here you'll find screenshots and nothing else. And there we go. Here's a screenshot that I've captured just a second ago. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.